Yo guys, it's Raul TV, Team R for you all. It's your boy, we're back again. Need to sort myself out because I'm in a state. Anyway, let's gloss over that. I've got a 2013 Ford Focus diesel. It doesn't matter if it's a petrol or diesel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the drive shaft. I'm going to replace the driver's side drive shaft. It's pretty much similar design on the passenger side drive shaft. Let's do it, let's go. Right, set the car up on the ramp, took the wheel off, 19mm nuts, took them off. I'm not going to show you how to take that off, 101, can't take the wheel off, don't even attempt this job. We'll take this centre nut off, that looks like a 32 or a 30 socket. We'll need to take that off, nut off, and then we'll tackle the rest of it. Right, next job for us guys is we're going to take this big massive cover off. To take it off, it's 10mm or you'll have Torx all the way around the cover. Let's go ahead and take that off. Next job for us, we need to take the ball joint off. 18mm nut there. A Torx on this side, Torx 50 or a 55, let me just make sure. That's the one, Torx 55, that's what you need on this side. An 18mm on this side. Let's take that ball joint off. Right, ball joint nut is off. We'll just leave that there for the time being. We're going to go to this side. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure you jack it up, put some axle stands on it, put a block on it, make sure it's nice and safe. We're going to go ahead and take these two nuts off, 13mm. The center bearing on the drive shaft, we're going to take that off. This is the driver's side. I'm in the UK, the driver's side, offside. The passenger side one doesn't have a bearing, it just comes straight off the drive shaft, that is, off the gearbox. This one has a center bearing. We're going to take that off. And another one up there. Right, that clamp is off. In order to get the ball joint out, as you can see, I've already took it out once, but I'll show you guys how I took it out. I've got a big bar in there. Yep, and just lever it. If it still doesn't come out, what you can do is somebody just tap it on the wishbone there. If it still doesn't come out of the ball joint, get a little chisel, put it in between the hub there. That should come straight out. So in my case, it came straight out. So what I did is put the jack handle in there. Try and do this with one hand and just give it a pull. There we go. That's off. Job done. We're going to tackle the drive shaft now. Okay, we're at this stage now, guys, where the drive shaft, the CV joint is out of the hub, ball joint is off, that center clamp is off. So now if I just pull the drive shaft out, that will come straight out. But the problem is, we're going to have fluid leak, okay? Gearbox oil is going to leak out. So what we need to do is, we need to drain the oil. We can drain it out there, or we can drain and refill it in there, okay? You can do it that way, drain it all out. Take the drive shaft off, put the new drive shaft in, finish it all off, and then put the fluid back in, the oil back in. Or you can do it the rough way and I would say the dodgy way, okay? Just take it out and quickly put the new one in, okay? Two people to do that. I might do that. I might get my brother. I'm going to take it out and he's going to bang it in. Right, let's see if we can do that. We might lose a little bit of oil. That way we don't need to waste time refilling it again. Let's do it. Right, thing is, we've had an epic fail, okay? The thing is, I tried doing it the dodgy way, the slightly easier way, efficient way, but it didn't go right, okay? As you can see behind me, underneath me, it's a disaster. I've got oil leak, gearbox oil leak everywhere. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to have to re-top it up again, right? So sometimes you try cut corners and it bites you in the backside again, yeah? You stop laughing. Right, so hey, I had a try. You know, if it did it, happy days, job done. But I've got another job now. Have to refill it up. Let's go. Right, but put all things to a side. Drive shaft is in. You have to hand it me on that one. Drive shaft is in. I'm going to put the ball joint back on. Center nut back on. I'm going to put that clamp back on. The one in there. That one there. Put that clamp back on. and re-top it up with ATF fluid. That's it. Job done. Can you even see me? There you go. That's it. Let's do it.
Double check.
Right, that's it. Job done. All I'm going to do now is put the wheel back on, put the cover back on. I've got the fluid in there. Spilt it, obviously. Yeah, my bad. Like I mentioned, you guys can do it the easy way, which means drain the fluid, okay, the gearbox fluid, drain it, and then re-top it up again. That will be the easier bit. I think, you know, that will be a lot easier than trying to take it out and put it in, you know, same time. Right, so yeah, you learn from your mistakes. Anyway guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section, and I hope this video helped you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, peace and blessing, I'm sorry. Trying to help you guys out, Raul TV, hooking you up, and yeah, take care guys, and I'll see you soon.